Welcome to the weekly challenge. This week, we're going to create a .NET Core WPF to-do list application. You will see a few of these to-do list challenges as we push the limits of various user interfaces. Each will present a different challenge for you to overcome. Now, if you're not familiar with a weekly challenge, let me explain. Each week, I challenge you to tackle a topic in C#. I give you all the materials you need to get started. Each challenge should take between 10 minutes and half an hour. That isn't a lot of time to dedicate to improving your C# skills, but I guarantee you that if you do a challenge each week, your skills will grow. Now, if you're interested in how I would do it, or if you get stuck, you can follow the link in the description to sign up for my solutions. The best part is you'll get all the back issues of the challenges and solutions as well. Now, either way, follow the link in the description to get the PDF challenge file associated with this challenge. All right, so the challenge this week is to create a .NET Core WPF application that captures and displays to-do items. Notice it's .NET Core, not .NET Framework. Now, if you don't yet have .NET Core 3.0 installed, you can do the .NET Framework version of WPF, but my solution will show you the .NET Core version. Now, the differences are not going to be apparent in the solution. Either one will work the exact same way, so don't worry about that. So, the user should be able to add, edit, complete, and remove to-do items in a list box. So you have a list box, they should be able to add items to that list, they should be able to edit existing items, they should be able to complete an item, which is different than delete, and they should be able to remove an item. That's the actual deletion. So a completed to-do stays in the list by default. Now, when a user double-clicks on a to-do item, strike it through and mark it as complete. And that's pretty important here. The display should show that the to-do has a line through it, not under it, through it. That's going to be a little bit tricky, and that's the challenge for this week. Now, once you have that running, and maybe you wait for strike through until the end, kind of make it the intermediate challenge. Get the rest of it working first, and then work on strike through. But once you're done that, then move on to the bonus challenge. And the bonus challenge is to set up the list box so that the user can drag and drop the to-dos to reorder them. Okay, so drag and drop, and then also ensure that all completed to-do items are placed at the bottom by default. So when you double-click on an item to strike it through, move it to the bottom. Now, if you drag it back to the top, leave it there. If the user adds a new to-do, which goes to the bottom, that's fine. It's only that initial double-click to strike it through that moves it to the bottom of the list. All right? So that is the challenge for this week. That's your challenge to get the WPF Core to-do list up and running. You think you got what it takes? I hope so. Good luck and happy coding.